Check out our crib. I am not looking forward to bathing.
What the hell, Jaws?
Our camping trip, even Jolly's here, making memories for another year.
We could barely fit everything into the Honda shuttle. Oh, hey, Jolly there. Jaws! Say hi. Jolly, wait, Jolly, wait, Jolly, wait, Jolly, wait, Jolly. Hey. Jolly! Oh, Jolly stuff. Let's go! Jaws. So we've been getting more and more outdoors, and since we went to camper van in Perth, we've been going more and more outdoors. Started having small little picnics at the barbecue tables at East Coast, to now a full-fledged kitchen, a full tub, and now the last stage of the evolution. We finally got ourselves a tent, and today is our first time trying camping in Singapore with Jolly. Since dog staycations are so expensive, we thought we'd just get a tent, and here we are, East Coast Park. Our first camping trip in Singapore. Let's go! Wow, 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 wow. Youthful runs. It's a good spot? Yeah. It's a good spot to stay? Alright. Let's start unpacking. Alright, we finally set up our tent after 1.5 hours. Sun is almost setting. Take a look. Yeah, a little bit of tub action going on. And a nice little bit inside. Alright. 36.
Check out our crib. We have a tent. We are staying overnight. We are finally staying overnight, and I am not looking forward to bathing.
Okay, bye. Look at Jolly. Enjoying the best time of my life, basking in the sunset. Hi! Satay and grilled chicken wings by the beach at East Coast Park. Alright, and more satay. She ran to the beach. I think you're chasing a crab or something. Charlie, what do you chase? Are we chasing a crab? Crab found? What is chasing something? Charlie chasing a duck. You have no idea what it is. Is that what I've been chasing? Oh, uh-oh. You wanna go? You wanna be barbecued? Have you been attacking this one, Jaws? Jaws, just dive from us. Now they'll give you the dead body. What the hell? What the hell, Jaws? Charlie's gonna bite a nose, Jaws. Adventures of East Coast. Charlie, what are you looking for? It's hunting crabs. It's hunting for crabs, my goodness. Feeling showered? Have you showered?
I showered.
How was the shower?
It was cold. It was so cold.
So was it good?
Yeah, it was good.
Alright, how?
So different by desserts.
So many lizards? Yeah, but were they bothering you?
They were scared me.
Yes.
I don't want to shout because lizard.
Oh. Oh. Let's check out the shower situation. Not too bad. Not too bad. Charlie is totally pooped. He himself takes a ladder in the tent.
Oh, really? Too really.
First thing she woke up, went around chasing crabs. Morning. We had a pretty rough night. The weather's quite good actually. It was pretty cooling. At one point, I actually needed to get a blanket out. The sound, my God, the plane's non-stop, and the waves are constantly crashing. We're just by the water. I think the waves were just here last night. It's not like those gentle waves, but those aggressive splashes. Planes are flying overhead non-stop. It's a bit annoying. Probably should try another beach next time. But otherwise, yeah, I'm surprised the weather is quite cooling. And since you can't really sleep much, you wake up to this beautiful sunrise. The birds are chirping. And yeah, let's make some breakfast. A bit of outdoor boys tribute. I've got some flour, salt, and yeast inside here. Let's see whether we can make breakfast with some fresh bread. Way too high heat. Honey butter fresh bread by the beach. Oh yeah. What a vibe. Fresh bread at the campsite. Fresh bread at the campsite. The real treat. Morning beer. Cheers.
Yes.
Seiji, how's your first camping trip? Enjoying the tent? It is cooler inside. Huh. Our family, how's your first camping trip?
See,
We gonna do it again?
see.
Yes. How about you, Mama?
Not too sure. It's customer, but because the tent is I invested in the tent.
So we had to cut short our. We wanted to leave around 3 plus when the sun is not so hot, but we ran out of power. The fan ran out of power. The power bank ran out of power. The phone ran out of power. We had to leave because everything we have no power to do anything. So we pack up early. It was so freaking hot to pack at 12 plus. So we came to McDonald's to hide, had some ice cream. But yeah, lesson learned. We need a power bank next time. All right. Thanks for following along to the next camping adventure. Still in our pajamas.
Take